Hey, what's up guys? This is Everyman Tech, and today we got the Razer Kraken X wired gaming headset for an unboxing. So if you first take a look at it, when you first get it in your hands, you can notice that the box is pretty sleek. You have that matte black finish with the original Razer green lettering and symbol color. So this is how it will look like in the front. And you also can see right there, we got 7.1 surround sound, a bendable cardioid microphone, and you also have your ultralight comfort with memory foam cushions. So definitely look pretty comfortable. And you also will definitely take note of the fact that this headset is already compatible with PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Switch, Xbox One, and smartphone. I know we have the Xbox Series X, and we also, have some new stuff out, and we have the PlayStation 5. So once I get my hands on one of those two systems, I can definitely try them out and see if this will actually work for them. But just for the sake of just getting it out of the box, you also can see that this is only the systems that it says compatible for. And mind you, these came out in 2019, so you can definitely, imagine that the other systems weren't even talked about yet. So yeah, so we got that. So we flip the box to the side. You'll have some more information. Again, we have that 7.1 surround sound, that bendable cardioid microphone. You have your comfort cushion head ear cups or foam cushions. And we also have some extra information, the custom tuned 40mm drivers for that sound. We also have something really interesting to me is the fact that it has the hidden indented eyewear channels. So this, in a nutshell, these headphones should be able to accommodate users or gamers who use, glasses. So eliminate some pressure from glasses and everything like that. So that should be interesting. And we got, of course, your on headset controls. And then we got the back of the box, got more detailed information, just some pretty much information of your volume controls, more of the 40mm drivers again, the microphone features, pretty much the same information that we saw on the side of the box, but just in more detail with the graphics of the headphones and the different indications of what goes with what. So definitely useful. And of course, on the side here, we have the Razer logo. So that's all we got. So it's pretty simple. Pretty nice box though. And this is a pretty hefty box. Definitely great packaging. So next up, we're gonna open this guy up and let's see what we got inside. All right, so now to open it up, we go right to the top. So we'll use our handy dandy Razer box cutter, aka unboxing knife. Oh wait, you don't even need this. Just pull that tab, the arrow indicating to pull to the left. So we're just gonna pull that back and voila. So when we open the box up, first thing we see, for gamers by gamers. So already an indication of what this headset is for. And even though I'm not a hardcore gamer, these essentially will be for me as well. So if you are a gamer, definitely for you. So we have here first, like it says full potential. Let's see what else we got. Just some more indication. Surround sound, definitely I'll check that website out and let you know what it does and how it would benefit you. But you can also see here, if you download this software, you get the activation code, and you can pretty much be able to really unlock the full surround sound audio feature and pretty much to get the most out of your headphones. So pretty cool. And just some more lettering and information on the front. So we'll put that to the side. And when you first immediately open the box, you're greeted with our lovable paperwork. Yes, I can't wait till they just give you a download to read the instructions instead of putting all this nice paper inside here, but definitely some connection instructions, so definitely don't want to lose that. And once you open the box up, you just easily slide it out like so. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box, and that's it. You got it greeted by a nice cardboard box with the headphones securely and safely tucked inside this plastic casing. So definitely great for packaging, awesome packaging. Razer, kudos to you guys. And once I get them out this encasing, we'll definitely take a look at these headphones in depth. So when you take these out, just like you see here, all you gotta do is just pull open the sides. The tabs right here are stuck in these indentations here. So you just open that up like so, put them down, and here you go. So we'll just peel this back, we'll lay these down like so, and we'll see what happens. We'll just pull this over, and pretty much just pulling the cardboard over the headphone to hopefully release them. And before we get any further, I'll just let you see you have some styrofoam cushioning, I'm sure just for more comfort and secure packaging during shipment. And we're greeted by our audio cable, so definitely for PC use, as we have our audio connectors here for your PC. So yep, so if you're looking for that wire connection, you got them. And again, just that extra cushion for shipping protection and everything like so. Nothing else on the back, so we can let's get rid of that. And we'll check these out. And all right, so all you have to do is go to the back, and you have to just pull this out. Nothing here, just extra packaging. And we have your wired, your standard 3.5 millimeter cable to go to that aux jack of yours. And you just easily just pull them off the sides of the plastic so they come right out, and you just gently pull this out of here, and just extra packaging, we'll just put that to the side. So first glance, these are pretty light, as these headphone cushions definitely look pretty bulky, but surprisingly these things are pretty light. So when you get them out the plastic encasing, it'll exactly look just like these, and yep, nothing to it. So next, now we're going to really go look at all the features, buttons, the cushions, and just get some more, and I'll give you a bigger idea of what to expect once you get your hands on these. All right, so now we got everything out the packaging. What you'll first notice again is that wired connections, as these are wired headphones. You have your 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and you have them securely connected right here where this rubber zip tie looking thing right here. And one thing you also notice too is this cabling is pretty flexible, it's pretty sturdy, it's like a rubber material. Definitely awesome. And as you can see here, very, very durable. So it looks like this material, it definitely should allow for kinking protection, so you don't have to worry about it nicking this cable or kinking it if you fold it the wrong way or anything like that. So that's good. Now for the good part, the headphones. So we have that bendable cardioid microphone. So some, as you know, some retract in or some just fold up, like that mute feature, but these are just bendable. So you can definitely tailor them to pretty much however you want them or however you see fit. And you want to get them out the way, you just fold them up like so. And you just put them down like this. If you're ready to talk, you can bend it. So definitely for any configuration as far as where you want the microphone located, you definitely have some options there. And it's a pretty nice little mic here. So you just fold that up. Then we have your Razer symbol and logo here. Now, I thought this would actually be green. I would have thought that would have been pretty nice, but these here just pretty much fit with the aesthetics of the matte black finish around the headphone band and just around the entire headphones in general. So again, on the same side here, you got that same black logo that matches with the matte black finish. And of course, we have these really durable, big, huge cushions. Now, these are like some of the biggest cushions I've ever seen as far as a headset, let alone a gaming headset. So they definitely look and feel comfortable. But once I do the review and actually try these on and do some gaming and some PC use and things of that nature, I'll definitely let you know how these actually feel for long periods of time. And you have your Razer logo, of course. And you also definitely here, they're definitely adjustable. And you have, which is pretty smart in my opinion, is these numbering and the notches. So you can definitely, as a lot of these headphones, they don't actually come with the notches like this. So you pretty much have to guess and pretty much play around with the headphones in order to make sure you get the right adjustment around your head. But with his numbered notches, you can definitely make sure that you have all of the, you have your adjustments pretty much spot on each side. So this would be the left side. As you can see here, located by left. And then you got your right, located by the R. And as with the left side, you again have the right side. So you can definitely make sure that you can have these actually adjusted to the same size. So that's definitely a plus. And of course, this part here is not cushioned. It's actually plastic here. Let me just fold that back. Plastic there. But the top part here is actually cushioned. All right, so as you can see, they're here, and your cushions they play around a lot, and you have a lot of cushion. As you see, you have a lot of cushion on each side, and these are not really flexible as far as being able to bend them. So I definitely won't go too crazy with them. I'm sure I'll actually snap these, and we don't want to do that. And so you have your speakers here, got 40mm drivers here. And yep, these are like pretty simple headphones. Now, of course, we have your volume controls, and notated that all your on-ear controls are actually located on the left side of the headphones. As you can see, there's nothing on the right, so all your controls are actually on the left. So we have your mute, volume up, volume down, and yep, that's pretty much it. So again, these are wired, so definitely a plus. I know everybody's going to wireless. Like honestly, I prefer, my main use of headphones are actually wireless. I prefer wireless as my main headphones, but it's good to have a backup. So definitely, these will definitely come in handy. And I always prefer the wired headphones because no power is needed as far as being able to have to charge these up, and actually, just being able to have a good backup, a good reliable pair of backup headphones that I can use and utilize when, let's say, my other main ones die of low battery and I have to really grab something quickly while I'm playing a game or while I'm on a computer or just pretty much doing anything with my headphones. So this is a great backup. It would be a good backup for anybody looking for some headphones that they want to use as a backup to their main primary headphones, which may be wireless. Or if the budget permits, you can definitely have these as your main headphones, as if you're not ready to go to wireless, or you might have a computer, let's say, that is not is not Bluetooth compatible, and which you can't use wireless on, and you just really want a good pair of gaming headphones that doesn't require charge or anything like that. All you need to plug these into the microphone jack of your laptop or desktop or whatever you're using, and pretty much you're good to go. So yep, pretty much simple. And definitely look out for the review, as I'll be reviewing these in depth. I'm going to be doing a speaker test, of course, the listening test, I'm going to test them out during gaming, test them out during a phone conversation, test them out definitely just using them for regular PC use as well. So you'll definitely look out for that main review, as I will definitely give you all the detailed information. So pretty much everything that was in the box that they indicated that these headphones can do, that review will have everything in depth and in detail for you guys. So you can definitely have this to consider as you're buying before you make the actual purchase of these headphones as well. So all right guys, that's pretty much it. Now if you want to follow me on Twitter, I can be reached at the Everyman Tech, and on Instagram at the Everyman Tech as well. And of course, definitely subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this unboxing and you definitely want to be without any future reviews that get posted on the channel. So definitely hit the all notifications button, and definitely drop me a comment if you want to know more about these headphones, or if there's something in particular that you would like to see or know about these headphones, that I can make sure I add those into the review video for you guys as well. So definitely make sure you go and do that. I'm definitely curious to see what you think, or what you might want to know about more about these headphones in general. And that goes for all my other videos on there as well. If you have questions about those, definitely leave me a comment on those videos or on this one, and I'll definitely get back out to you with an answer. So anything to help you guys out, that's what I'm here for. So again, this is Darren with the Everyman Tech. I hope you guys have a great and safe day, and definitely check out that review when it's uploaded to the channel. Bye.